answer. Oh, that's my boss right there. Okay. 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 Let's proceed to the second one. So pay attention to the number inside the word. No, it's doing more work than you think. I think this is just too easy to you guys. Okay, the correct answer is one in a million. So sorry, Sir John. There's no in on here. So it's sorry for that. So we'll go to I think Diana. One in a million. So congrats, Diana. Okay, there is a yeah connects there. So next one is okay. So this is also sneaky. Don't rush it. Just look at the word again before answering. Okay, the correct answer is. Are you in trouble? So I hope not. But this is the correct answer. So um you okay. I think we need to meet with the best because Mom Beulah put R and U. So I think we need to have a complete sentence in that Miss Beulah. You want to fix that? So the correct answer is but on second thought. Thought after thought. Okay. So let's proceed next. Okay, just read it slowly and think about what the numbers might replace. Surgeon answered my one and only life. Is he referring to his wife? Okay, thank you for 11. Thank you for that. And the correct answer is for once in my life. Okay. Is it making sense? Okay, next is this one. So, just ask yourself when something goes up, what usually happens next? Is it right or left? I'm giving hints. Sorry. I'm just excited for you to answer this. So the correct answer is what goes up must come down. So what comes up must come down. I think Surgeon got the correct answer. Okay, next is So this one. So if this is math, you would say that sitting divided by the world. But this is Reba, so I think it's not. So it must be visual. So the correct answer is sitting on the top of the world. Okay, I think Megan got the correct answer. Congrats, Megan. Oh, I should say Ishikawa because Megan Redcraft is there as well. Sorry, sorry. Okay, next. Please note that I did not spoil any answer to Sir John. Okay, the correct answer is Eiffel Tower. So Sir John got the correct answer. Okay. So second to the last. So we just have 2-1. So job and job. So it's for me it sounds like a link into me, but don't read it literally. So the correct answer is in between jobs. So sorry, Machine got the correct answer. Okay, this will be the last. So it's like you give your salary and then you give it for expenses, right? Very adulting vibes. Forget me not. Okay, the correct answer is forgive and forget. So I think Sergeant got the first answer. Okay, so I think that's all. Good job, everyone. That wraps off our game. So thank you all for playing and for bringing the energy and the laughs. And we'll be tallying the results. So don't worry, and the winner will be announced later. So stay tuned. And with that, we'll move on to the next part of our program. I'll now pass the floor to Aljon. Take it away, Aljon.